Calling all investors. Got a house here in Redford. This house needs some TLC. Just doing a quick preview for one of our investors. Hey, Christina.
Howdy.
I love your coat.
Oh, thank you.
It's so fashionable. Wow, look at this beautiful chandelier.
Vintage.
Vintage. Speaking of vintage, this is a central air system. It's centrally located in the middle of the home. Also, you'll notice these high decor flooring with wear marks to make it appear that it's aged. Oh my goodness.
Good job making it appear aged. Yes.
It appears aged. Look at the wallpaper.
Oh, wait.
It looks like a storybook out of London.
Look at the fan.
Oh, the fan. I am such a fan of the fan. It's antiqued. It's antique. But you know what's weird? Why does it have that modern bottom on it? They added that on there.
These little light
Yeah.
covers.
Yeah, that's so... Oh, man, look at that fancy paint job. Art Deco. It's a fusion of time periods. Hardwood flooring. It has a little rustic look to it.
More wallpaper. Fun stuff.
Oh yeah. Floral. Oh man. What do you call this tile? What's this, seafoam? Seafoam. It's not penny tile.
I think the outer square is a seafoam, but the other green is like a hunter green in the middle, and then I don't know what to call this green.
Wait
on
a
the
minute.
walls.
What is that on the sink? Is that a vent? Is that a heat vent? Yeah. Oh man, there is heat coming out of the sink.
I've never seen that.
A heated sink. Faux marble. Grab bars. That's great. I will be needing those in the future.
My favorite wallpaper is in the half bath.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Let me just do a quick, alright. Bedroom number 3. Oh, look at these lights. Yeah, I remember those. Take me back to my childhood. Look at all the icicles. Interesting. Alright, this is your favorite. Oh, wow.
Metallic forest.
It's the metallic forest. Oh my country.
Fun stuff.
Wow. Coming soon. I guess it's here, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Shall we go down?
Let's check that out.
Oh man. I thought it was got the Armstrong Knotty Pine. This is one dark basement. Oh man, is this Yahtzee? Is this Yahtzee?
Shuffleboard.
Shuffleboard. Oh. Okay. Looks like a carpet over here.
Ooh, vintage refrigerator.
Wait, is that a fireplace? They had a fake fireplace with some built-ins. Oh, that's cool. A bar? Is that a wet bar or a dry bar?
Dry, but it has a really cool fridge.
It is cool in theory. Oh, don't open that thing. That is the real deal. You know how they look like they're an old
No,
refrigerator?
that's the real one. Yeah.
That is, it is cool. The shape of it is real cool. I see what you're saying. That is cool. It's just, oh, it's a dry bar with no liquor. What kind of bar is this?
Oh, you blurred up.
Yeah, we're out of here.
All right.
Bar with no liquor.
Let's go.
What's this? Dark room.
I can't find a switch.
It's pretty scary in here.
Okay.
Hey, we got a light. Okay. This is a fuse box? Are you kidding me?
It's keeping with the vintage theme, Sean.
Thanks.
Let's keep with it.
Oh man, a concrete sink.
Everybody wants those.
Can very easily wash your dog. Oh yeah, it's a vintage washer too. Look at that. This thing won't break. With the matching. Hey, well, I tell you what, this is done correctly.
Yeah.
Oh man, it even comes with free spider webs. Oh man, look at that furnace.
Vintage.
See, that's how you know it's a good furnace. It's lasted this long.
And it's really quiet. It's running right now.
I know, and it's even heating the bathroom sink. Hey, it works.
Yeah.
All right, so this is the tour. Check out this fancy closet.
It's a drying rack, Sean. We're in the laundry room.
Ropes. Wasn't there an Alfred Hitchcock movie? Rope. You love it?
Yeah.
Hey. Oh, yeah. And I could probably exercise, do some pull-ups. Oh, you got to have a pencil sharpener.
Yeah.
You cannot have an old house without a pencil sharpener.
Check this out.
Vintage. Oh, man. Bottle caps. Opener. Can open my beer. Secret room. What? Secret room. This is big. Oh man. It's got a closet. This is hopefully they didn't have any bad kids locked in here.
'Cause it's little.
This room is cozy. Get me out of here now. Cool stuff. All right. Well, it's a nice place. Christina, give me your quick rundown. What needs to be done? How can this thing be a moneymaker? Talk to me.
Well, if people aren't a fan of the wallpaper like I am, you need to get rid of the wallpaper, fresh coat of paint on everything, ceilings and walls and trim. And then what increases the value?
Kitchens, bathrooms.
Kitchens and bathrooms. So yes, granite, new cabinets, it would be stellar.
What about this basement? What would you do? Would you do anything down here?
The basement is super fun. I would probably get rid of that carpet.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, and epoxy the floors.
Yeah. Now the cool thing about this is this kitchen, the cabinets is so small. You could redo this kitchen for next to nothing, and it would look amazing and tremendously bring that value up, just like you said. Mm-hmm. Yep, that would be a quick value add. Mm-hmm. Now the other thing that's really neat is it has this half bath and a full bath over there.
Yeah.
Right. So if you wanted to increase value, another thing you could do is add a bathroom in the basement. Okay, then it would be 2.5. Mm-hmm. That's a big hit. I mean, that will make the value go up too. And then, like you said, wallpaper, get rid of all of that. Polish up these floors, which, I mean, actually, they're in a little rough shape, so they need to be redone.
Finished. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but it would really be amazing what paint could do in here. And unfortunately, a big hit to a big budget hit would be these windows, though.
Yeah.
These windows are all pretty old.
Very old.
So
yes.
That would be a budget hit. So you would have to really count the cost on that to see if you could get the return. I don't think you can get the return. What do you think?
No, but it would be more for your comfort level, energy savings while you are here.
Yeah. So, I mean, if you're going to buy this to move in, that's different. Yeah. I mean, then, yeah, you're going to make it up. But talking about flip investment, just that way, I would probably change out that picture window because you could probably get that done at a really reasonable rate. And then I would just really caulk and insulate all the windows really good. That way, still got your energy savings.
Yeah.
All right. Well, that's the roundup. We just did a little preview for one of our investors here. So we're gonna send this video out, and we're gonna all make some money. If you want to reach out to the Money Girl, what do I call you, Christina the Money Magnet? Reach out. You know how to see us, prettyhomerealty.com. See you on the next one. Let's get it.